Welcome to my channel. Today on my channel I'll be teaching you how to make pizza. Right here are the ingredients I'll be using today. Here I've got pepperoni ready. Here I've got my tomato paste ready. Here I've got flour ready. Here I've got my sugar ready. Here I've got my cheese ready. Here I've got seasoning ready. Here I've got my ham ready. Here I've got semolina ready. Also I've got my yeast ready. I've also got my salt ready. Also I've got my oil ready. Right here I've got my pan with parchment paper ready. Guys, come with me and let's get cooking. First I'm going to start by pouring my sugar into the bowl. Next, I'm going to add 3/4 glass of warm water, stir until the sugar is dissolved, and then add your yeast. When you add your yeast, do not stir, just leave it and allow it to rest for 10 minutes. It has rested for 10 minutes. As you can see, it's foamy and good to go. Right now, I'm going to add my salt, add my oil, and then add my flour and mix. Mix until the dough is right, the texture is perfect, and then put in a oiled bowl, cover with cloth and leave in a dark area for at least 50 minutes to 1 hour until it's double the size, and then you are good to go. In the meantime, I'm going to prepare my sauce. As you can see, my paste is in the pot. I've added a little bit of water. Now I'm going to stir and then add all my seasoning. If you want to know the seasoning and the measurement I used, you can go to the description below and you'll find it there. Allow your sauce to boil for 5 minutes. Afterwards, add your cheese, and then after 3 minutes, it's ready. Next, I'm now going to check and see if my dough is doing really well. As you can see, the dough has risen twice the size, is perfect and ready to go. I'm going to sprinkle flour on my board and then add my dough. Use my rolling pin, flatten it a little bit, and afterwards shaping the size of the dough. Next, I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of semolina on my parchment paper and then transfer the dough to the parchment paper. Afterwards, I'm going to rub my oil around the dough. As you can see, I've rubbed the oil around the dough. Next, I'm going to spread the sauce around the dough also. When I finish, I'll then sprinkle my cheese. As you can see, cheese is going on nicely. Afterwards, I'm going to sprinkle my ham. In goes my ham. And next will be my pepperoni. Look at that. Isn't this colorful? It's looking really nice. I can't wait to see what it looks like when it comes out of the oven. Now, it's nicely done and ready to go into the oven. Guys, just to let you know, my oven has been preheated, gas mark 7, and now I'm just going to slide it in for 15 minutes, come back and see what it looks like. Hopefully it is gonna come out yummy as usual and tantalizing. Now a pizza I've cooked for 15 minutes. Look at what it looks like. It is mouth-watering. It is tantalizing. Honestly, I cannot wait to have a bite of this yummy pizza. What are you waiting for? Have you already subscribed to my channel? If you've not yet subscribed to my channel, go to the right side of your phone and press subscribe. Also, do not forget to turn on your notification button so whenever I post my video, you will be notified. Do not forget to like, do not forget to share. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye. Ciao.